Friends, this is Yasir and in this video I am gonna show you what are protected tools and how this works in React Native. So first of all, let me tell you what is protected tools. Basically, protected tools are same as if else. The only difference is that the protected tools work only in JSX. What is JSX? Basically everything that we code in render function, that is JSX. So we use JSX in the render function in class component. Okay, so let's start with the format of protected tools. So this is the React Native that's shown in my screen, and this is the styling of my main view. Okay, let's create here a constructor. And inside this constructor, create here a state. For that, simply initialize here a props, and I write here super, and inside this props. This is not necessary to write your state inside this constructor, but this is a good approach. That's why I use this approach. This state equal curly braces. Okay, so our state is created, and let's initialize something here, just like login is true. Okay, and use here protected rows. Simply create two curly braces, and inside these curly braces, let's write this dot state dot login is equal to true. Then text, and right here login is true. Give a styling, style is equal to background color yellow, font size 24, font weight 4. That's it. So this is basically same as if condition. After that, if you didn't wrote anything, then simply write here null. But if you use another condition, then write condition here, and my next condition is this dot state dot login is equal to false. Then copy this and paste it here and write here false. And if both conditions would be not eligible, then no. That's it. Control save, and you can see login is true. If I write here false, then my condition changed into this one. Let's give here red color. Okay, now if I write here something other than this G, then nothing will show because this condition work. Okay, so this is the basic structure of protected tools. You can use that according to your customization. Thank you for today's video.